G'day, this is JR from Rogue Traders here. This week we're trading ES. It wasn't the greatest week, but we've got a few decent trades in. So first off, I want to start off with this trade here that I took. So see the market pushes down and then retraces, and it doesn't give us a clean retracement. It has this stair step going up, but it does touch the brick wall and then push down further. Now I got in on this candle here. It was a bit unfortunate. I would have liked to have gotten in on this previous candle, but I was stuffing around a little bit. And now this 2350 line, I consider it not a brick wall, but just a point of caution because it is quite a round number as far as ES is concerned anyway. So it appeared to not necessarily bounce off it. It did close over it. You can see here the 1923 down the bottom. It's closed over it nicely, but ultimately it only paid a 4-tick target and then retraced. So that was unfortunate. I would have liked to have gotten a bit more out of that, but I got stopped out up here for quite a large risk actually, because there's quite a decent height there. But I might take that in consideration into later trades. But then if we move along a little bit here and we come on to later in the night, you can see that we get another nice little step here, and this is much cleaner. See, it bounces off the R1 I believe, comes back down, pushes higher. I got a perfect entry there, and then although it came back down a little bit, it ended up rallying and it paid paid a 4-tick and then an 8-tick and then all the way up to I think a 15-tick. So it was quite a nice little trade. You can see it went all the way up to that brick wall and then started to come back down. Unfortunately, I don't think we got any more trades that night, but other than that, it was quite nice. Now if we switch over and have a look, this is this week's trade set. Unfortunately, we came out of the week with only 2 ticks of profit because I took this illegal trade down here. I missed the correct entry and tried to re-enter it on a retrace after the market had paid, and it was too close to a brick wall is what it says. It gets cut off on the screen there. So that was unfortunate that I had my lapse of judgment there and took a trade that I shouldn't have taken. Thankfully I was smart enough to it was quite a large stop, but ultimately it was 2 7-tick stop outs because it was for 2 contracts instead of 3 as well, which was also a little bit of a saving grace, thankfully. So unfortunately it wasn't a profitable week. It was quite slow this week, so that's a shame, but hopefully next week it'll pick up a bit and I'll be able to take some more trades. Now another topic of conversation that I'd like to bring up with you guys is that I'm starting to look at some gold trading. So at the moment we're just sort of testing gold old school buy switches. It's something IDTA used to teach. I believe they've started to bring it back. And it's basically if a 5-minute candle closes above the MDI, then the market has switched its bias and we can take the trade. We've had varying results, but it appears to have very low risk with high return. However, it's a 50-50 split of winning and losing trades. So it's a very psychological trading plan in the sense that you're going to have to weather a lot of losers before you get a winner. But once you get that winner, it offsets all of your losers and then a lot more. So that's very positive. But I'll keep you updated on that as it progresses and as we get more results. But thank you for listening and watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.